Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 19/7/2025 and the time is roughly around 10:30, and finally the convergence number literally rocked on an important astro event with the WDC which happened on Friday. We got roughly around 650 points in Bank Nifty and roughly around 200 points in Nifty Future, and still some more to come. But market closed at the very crucial level, on the support level, and we wrote this number 24,900 I think 67 or 27 on the first day of July, or one day before the July started, and Bank Nifty number 56,204. That was the crucial number to hold for this month, and it was touched yesterday. The exact low was 56,204. So now let's go and check the chart now. So now if you see here again, the index closed below the 50 SMA. Now possibility that it may even come down here when it comes to Nifty, and your crossover is here with 100 and 200, and till it is below 50 SMA, there is no question of buying this market. And when it comes to pitchfork, it was closed exactly at the beautiful support level, which is this green color line. Break below and close below this green color line. The next target is somewhere here, which is roughly around 23,800 or 900 level. Once it closes below that, it will try to come and touch the median line, which is a gravitational line, and more or less Gann angle also is merging into that. So this is a very crucial area if it closes below this green color line. If not, it takes the U-turn and try for this. Okay, and when it comes to Ichimoku, we clearly said last time it was C-clamp, and beautifully that C-clamp worked, where you got 6 candles within the C-clamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 clamp within the C, and it broke on the 7th day, and where it had a major flat line, and it closed to below the flat line. Now when it comes to Ichimoku, unless and until it doesn't close above this blue color line, which is the conversion line, there is no question of buying this market. Again, if it goes inside, this will be a premium eating area. And most probably the support is on the cloud, and the cloud is very big, so it will not give up that easily when it comes to the cloud. Then Fibo, and we clearly said if it closed to below, it will try to come and try this area, which is 24,542, which is combining with the Gann angle as well as the golden ratio. Now any buy only above, the positional buy only above 25,305. Now when it comes to Bank Nifty is holding little bit. It is not close to below the 50 SMA. So possibility that it may even come down and take a U-turn, but unless and until it is not going to close above this, it is going to be within this area of 20 SMA and 50 SMA. Break below and close below, possibility of here. Okay, and when it comes to pitchfork, we clearly said this is the resistance area. So now got rejected. Exactly, it closed at the next blue color line. Now close below this blue color line. The next target is this green color line, which is roughly around 54,900 level. So mostly based on the pitchfork, Nifty and Bank Nifty is at the crucial support based on the pitchfork, as well as based on the monthly numbers. Okay, we'll go and check that monthly numbers little later. Again, Bank Nifty, it closed to below the flat line, so possibility that it may even come and touch this area. But the cloud is really big, so we don't need to worry about it, whether it's going to go very deep into it. I don't think it will go very deep inside. And when it comes to Fibo, it is not able to touch this number, so possibility that it may even come down up to this and take a U-turn, or it may even come down and touch this level. But this is 2,000 points move. We need to watch whether it is closing below this number. Okay, and let's go and talk about the minor time frame. So now if you see here, in 15 minutes time frame, it gave a G cell and a candle closed below around 25,500, and till now there is no buy in 15 minutes time frame. So it is sell on rise only. Okay, but when it comes to Bank Nifty, last time if you see, so this was the fake G sell around 54,000. No, I think, yeah, from here it got a first fake sell at 49,000, and again it gave a fake sell at 53,000. Again it gave a fake sell at 55,000. Again yesterday it was a fake sell. So now till it holds this candle low on a 1 hour closing basis, possibility of revival in the Bank Nifty. Possibility of a revival in Bank Nifty, because this is the sell candle and this candle low is held. So you can buy above this candle high. When it closes above, wait for the retracement, take the entry, stop loss this low. So let's see whether the market is going to take a U-turn, because our number was 56,204. That was the exact high of yesterday. So the low was 56,204.85 was yesterday's low. That was our important number when it comes to Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty, it is, I think, 24,927, I think. Yeah, 24,927, which was the monthly number, and that is what it touched yesterday. So now, unless and until you don't get 5 minutes G buy in this, there is no question of going long, because the sell came around 25,500, and from there till now there is no buy. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, again this was again a one sell. So now it is at the crucial level. Now let's go and check the important time cycle of the coming week. So now when it comes to the coming week, Nifty Metal is having the highest combination, followed by Energy, PSU, Midcap and CNX Auto. And when it comes to the stock, Adani Green, we are talking about this green for the last 2.5 weeks, and it is going above this number, and it is again coming back and touching this number. So within this level it is playing, and tomorrow, this week, is having a highest combination. And even in this highest combination, it says very clearly the move may happen on Tuesday, because in this week Adani Green is having a highest combination on Tuesday. On Monday it is 3 combination, on Tuesday it is 7 combination, I think on Wednesday it is having 3 combinations. So Tuesday is very crucial for Adani Green, and these are all the other stock, and you can even watch IRB, SAIL and hindcopper. So concentrate on this thing, and when it comes to PSE, you can even concentrate on this one. Now let's go and talk about our main numbers in our PPT. So now this is the weekly range calculation, and yesterday was a very crucial day, because Mercury combined with WDC. Normally Mercury will change the sentiment of the market. So now if you take from July 1st, market started from July 1st, and from there it is coming down only. That was the peak happened. So now whenever the Mercury retrograde happens, or any Mercury aspect happens, it will try to turn from here. But based on astrology, it says Mercury retrograde is bearish for the market, but you don't need to take in that consideration. Overall, it says Mercury retrograde means it is bearish for the market, but possibility of sentiment change, because Mercury represent sentiment and Mercury represent Reliance. So Reliance had a result yesterday, but I don't know. I don't go and see what the result is, whether good, bad, ugly. I don't care about the fundamental research. So yesterday's candle is very crucial for the market, and yesterday it had an inside bar candle. So watch out for the inside bar candle. Break above Thursday high, bullish, break below Thursday low, it is bearish. So the sentiment is attached now towards Reliance, because it's combined with the result, with the major astro date and with the WDC date. And this was the two number which we are mentioning from the 1st of July. I think we made the video on 30th of July, 30th of June. We said this is the crucial number to watch. And if you go to that 30th page, I think 30th page. Yeah, so we clearly said that till it is above 24,927, bulls will be in control. Okay, and this was the last target of the month. Yesterday the low was 24,927. Okay, and it has not closed above this number for the whole month. So it is below this number. It is bearish, 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 and we said very clearly this is the last target of the month. So now it has to hold this number. But if it closes below this number, the problem will be very severe when it comes to Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we gave on 30th July that this is the number which you need to watch out for, the single number. Single number. So now 56,204 was the low, and that is what we gave last week, saying that that number is the number to hold for the week. So now even if you go to the last week number, we said very clearly till it is above 26,204, bulls will be in control. And we clearly mentioned, gave a highlight also that this number is crucial. And yesterday the low was 56,204. Okay, so that's how market respects numbers. So now let's come to the coming week. So now again the next important date is happening on 22nd of July. But this is going to be the premium date to watch out for. And we clearly said this candle is going to be the reference candle, and market is exactly at that candle on a very important date. And again here it is at the very important 20th June which is the solar date of Nifty. Okay, so now this is the monthly number and it closed to below. So now from here 504 points is the first target. So now as of now 300 points done, we have another 200 points based on this particular number. And tomorrow I will give you this number which you can use it for your trading. And coming to this, convergence really rocked yesterday, and I think 150 points left in Bank Nifty future and roughly around 100 points left in Bank Nifty future. Let's see whether market is going to gap down and then it's going to go up tomorrow. And we already given this, and tomorrow the important timing is here, and this is the crucial combination timing for Nifty for tomorrow. So now let's get into the numbers. So now all the numbers are red. Unless and until two numbers comes to blue, there is no question of going long, positional long in Bank Nifty. And all these numbers on the higher side will act as a resistance. Till two number comes to blue, there is no question of taking positional long. You can do intraday long, but no positional long. And again, this number was crucial on the higher side, and till it is below this number, and we have already done this number. Now 1, 2, 3 is possible. This is very, very crucial when it comes to Nifty. So any buy only above this number. Okay, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, so now again till it is below this number, we already done this number. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is on records, and this is going to be the turning point of Bank Nifty future. In case if it holds this number, normally what will happen, I'll tell you. From here, if it holds this number, first it will try and come and touch this number, and from there, so these two numbers are more or less same. Again, it will go and try to touch this number, the final number, then the final number, then the final number. Now, when it comes to Nifty again, because we already done the major bottom, which is 24,927. So now, if it holds that number, first target is this, and which is this number, and from here it will go and try to touch this number first, 25,323. This is how the market holds, because this is how the market moves based on the numbers. Exactly try to comes and touch that number, and from there it will try to take a U-turn, and this is going to be a very, very crucial area for the market. 24,927 to 24,845. This is very, very crucial support area for the market. Okay, that's all. Again saying, whenever the convergence happens, you don't need to worry about Dow Jones is up by 300 points, 400 points. Nothing will happen. Our convergence number knows the market much, much better. We are carrying our short from Thursday. Many people started asking, sir, Dow was up by 300 points, what to do, whether we need to cover the position on Friday morning. I said, no problem. Just be with that, and it's going to be an astro day. First 15 minutes, high and low will do the needful. And from there, it was a solid fall from the top. So don't worry about Dow, cat, dog, and all what it is doing in the night. Don't try to watch that. It is going to mentally screw your happiness, and you will have a sleepless night, and nothing will happen on when the market opens. Nothing will happen, and market will favors you only. So follow your system. No need to track Dow Jones and other markets. Stay with God. God knows what to give and when to give. Okay. See you soon on Monday. If there is any important announcement, I will try to update in Telegram channel. Until then.